Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. Today's little project involves a steady rest on the Monarch. Got to turn this, what used to be a sprocket, off here, and then I got this weldment slides over it. They're supposed to anyway. So, let's see if I can't get that cut off and see if we can't get this running a little more true. This thing's out of round, so it bounces up and down. It's out about 5 thousandths. I do need to go inside here and bore this bearing pocket back further, so I'd like to get it better than that. Hopefully once I get this turned off and put this on, maybe I can get it to run a little better. That'll be good there. I'll flip this thing around and bore the other end. Well, there it is. Got this job finished up. Got it cut back so I can weld their hub on here so I can have a replaceable sprocket. Something that's not factory offered. But a lot of times that's what's wrong with these. The teeth get wore out. And this is an effective repair. You can just replace the sprocket instead of this whole thing. But got it bored for the bigger bearings inside too. They've got some sourced. They're going to upgrade on that, and they'll be able to get this back in operation. So it's difficult to get footage on this lathe right now with this camera. I'm going to have to do a different setup with it. Maybe I'll wait till I get in the new shop to get that all figured out. But I either got to mount to the lathe, which picks up way too much noise, or come up with something else, because right now this tripod I can't get in close enough to get any shots. All you see is the tool post. So hopefully I got a little bit when I leaned it over, so you'll have to forgive the crooked footage. But thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later.